Hello and welcome. As we are approaching the absolute height of summer, I thought it was such a lovely idea to spend a summer's weekend with me. We're going to go strawberry picking. I'm going to show you a few recipes that I've picked up that we can use for all of these wonderful berries that we find. And we're going to pop across to a garden centre, because who doesn't love a garden centre in the summer? We went to this wonderful little farm in the depths of the British countryside and found these amazing strawberry and raspberry picking plants. And we took our dog Ember, and as you will see in a second, she had the best time ever that a dog can have picking berries. We also then popped along to our local garden centre. It is an absolutely beautiful garden centre. I haven't been there before, but I really enjoyed it. I feel like as we are now going into August, which is kind of crazy, that we really need to make the most of whatever summer activities we can. Before we know it, the leaves will be turning, the mornings will be frosty again, and we will be back to winter. I am very much a summer person. I love the warmth, I love the sunshine, I love being outside, and I love to kind of pack my summer reasonably. I don't like to overdo it, but I love doing these kind of activities that are just wholesome, get me outside, and really kind of help me to embrace the current season. And strawberry picking, berry picking absolutely does that for me. I really enjoyed it. So when we got back from our lovely day out, I absolutely did not want to let those beautiful berries go to waste. So here are two ways actually that I kind of use these berries. So first off, we're going to make some lovely French toast for breakfast. It was so yummy. I really enjoyed this. It's such a simple recipe. It's literally just milk, eggs, a little bit of salt if you are more of a savoury person. And then you just soak the bread in this mixture, and then you fry it in a bit of butter, and it is good to go. It's so simple, so easy, and I would definitely recommend you give it a go. I also popped a little bit of cinnamon on there just for some added flavour, because I do have a bit of a sweet tooth, but it worked really well with the strawberries. 10 out of 10 would recommend this. And the second recipe, I am giving jam a go. I'm going to try and make some berry jam using the strawberries and the raspberries that we picked. I've never made jam before. I didn't realize it was so simple. It is literally 1 part fruit to 1 part sugar and then some lemon juice. So I did a kilo of berries, a kilo of sugar, jam sugar that is, which does seem like a lot. And as I was pouring it in, I was kind of flinching, but we go with it. And then 1 whole lemon, and that was it. I did feel a little bit witchy when the berries and the sugar were kind of bubbling in the pan. I felt like a witch standing over her cauldron, which was quite cool, I'm not going to lie. But it is a very easy recipe, and if you can make jam this year, I would actually really recommend this. We ended up with many jars, like lots and lots of jars of jam, which we can preserve now, and we've got fresh, organic, pure jam, which we can now use for the rest of the year, which was actually a really wholesome and fulfilling thing to do. So I would definitely recommend that.